How to delete your TikTok account. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete your TikTok account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our TikTok right here, then click on these three lines up here. Now once you have clicked on that, click on the settings and privacy, and then from there you can see your account. So click on account right there. And then from in there, you can see this delete or deactivate or delete accounts. So click on that. And once you have clicked on that, you will choose if you want to delete or deactivate. So click on delete right here. And then you can just skip this. So click on skip. And then from in there, you can download your data. But if you don't download it, just click on this icon and click on continue. Now once you have done that, it will bring to this page wherein you want to continue again. So click on continue. And then from in there, just click on this right here and enter your password. And after you have entered your password, you can just click on this delete account right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete your account on TikTok. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.